This project began with a furniture design that encourages children to occupy the spaces with more freedom. The chairs are not supposed to limit the educational activities. Instead, the functions of the chairs are defined by children. The unlimited possibilities imply a sense of breaking the norm of furniture. In other words, the chairs allow students to occupy the classrooms with different postures and then stimulate more activities. As an extension of furniture, strategically, the cluster of buildings focuses on a continuous and fluid relationship between the surrounding landscape and the interior spaces of buildings. The blurred boundary allows the smooth transition of different educational events within a learning environment. There are formations such as undulations, bifurcations, creases, inflections, aggregation, and fragmentation that modify the playground surface and exterior canopy into an architectural landscape and buildings that embrace and direct children through different levels of the interior spaces. In general, the main principle of this project is to invent the impossible. The educational environments are supposed to provide places for children to explore and create rather than setting up ordinary learning environments. Students are encouraged to define how they can play and what they can learn at all times. Thus, this project aims to move away from elementary architectural principles by breaking the structural norms of classic buildings. By including non-linear design processed into the buildings and favoring fragmentation, this project expresses a form of controlled chaos. The chaos refers to a sense of fuzzy continuity, which has two meanings. First, there are no specific boundaries between interior classrooms and exterior playgrounds in the school. It implies the idea that children can play and learn everywhere in school. Second, continuity emphasizes the concept of sequential spaces rather than the separation of spaces. The entwined indoor classrooms and outdoor playgrounds allow students to experience seamless activities of learning and playing. Generally, by incorporating freeform buildings, porous landscapes, and fragmented facilities in different compositions and forms, this project provides children with a place of ambiguity to explore and adventure continuously.